Maithili Sharan Gupta is a colleague of mine, and I remember speaking to him in the year 1990, which means 30 years from now. This was in connection with an investigation I was doing, connected with an erstwhile criminal tribe, and our suspicion was that some of the gang members who were operating in Delhi were from Gura district, where he was the SSP. I spoke to him. His response was very positive, and he immediately got on with the job, helped us, and we managed to crack the cases. We managed to nab the gang, and that was the end of a reign of terror that the gang had unleashed in Delhi. Recently, when I was writing my recollections of that case, I thought of contacting him. I got his number from one of his batchmates and spoke to him. And he was as enthusiastic and as effusive as he was 30 years back. Very recently, he has retired, but not before coming up with a path-breaking idea of crime-free Bharat. This is an idea which is not an idealistic concept, an academic concept, but an idea which, with wide consultations, a few changes here and there, can be implemented and can be a real game changer. Crime-free Bharat, an idea propounded by Maithili Sharan Gupta, is an idea whose time has come. I wish Maithili my very best in his future endeavors, and I am sure this idea will be accepted and implemented all over the country to make our country much less crime infested and much less crime affected. All the best to you.